In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Microsoft 365 plan in Copilot. First, open Microsoft 365 Copilot the way you normally do. Once it loads, look toward the lower left area of the screen. You should see an option labeled Buy Microsoft 365. That section is your starting point for exploring the available subscriptions and understanding which one fits your needs best. When you open the Plans area, you'll notice two key decisions laid out clearly. The first choice is the billing cycle, which is typically yearly or monthly. Yearly billing is great if you're confident you'll use Microsoft 365 for the long term. It often comes out to a lower cost over 12 months and saves you the hassle of monthly renewals. Monthly billing, on the other hand, is more flexible. It can be helpful if you're trying the service, budgeting month to month, or have a short-term need. Take a quick moment to think about your usage pattern and budget comfort. That will make this first decision straightforward. The second choice is the plan type. You'll usually see options like Personal, Family, and Premium. Personal is designed for one individual. It's a solid fit if you use the apps on your own devices and don't need to share the subscription. Family is ideal if you plan to share with multiple people in the same household because one subscription can cover several users. Premium is for those who want more advanced features and capabilities. If you collaborate heavily, care about enhanced security, or need more robust tools, Premium can be a smarter long-term fit. As you review the plans, read the short descriptions shown for each option. Think about how many people need access, which devices you use, and what features matter most to you, like cloud storage, advanced security, or collaboration tools. If you prefer predictable costs and anticipate using Microsoft 365 all year, lean toward a yearly plan. If flexibility is your priority, monthly billing keeps things simple. After you've considered the billing cycle and the plan type, you'll have a clear path to the plan that matches your situation. The Buy Microsoft 365 area is designed to make this comparison quick, so take a moment to confirm your choices before moving forward. And that's it. Open Copilot, head to the lower left, review the plans, choose yearly or monthly, and then select Personal, Family, or Premium based on your needs. Now you know exactly how to navigate the options and pick the right Microsoft 365 plan with confidence.